Shopping for a vehicle at a typical car dealership can be frustrating. You might find used cars that don't have their best price displayed. Or what could be worse than a used car that isn't inspected and warranted? Here's where NoBadCars.com can help. NoBadCars.com has done the legwork and only offers top-quality pre-owned vehicles from hand-selected, top-producing car dealers in the Midwest. These top-performing dealerships are high-volume dealers and leaders in customer service. They offer their best price on every vehicle they sell up front, and every vehicle is inspected and most are covered by a written warranty. Best of all is the peace of mind that comes with the 7-day money-back guarantee and the 30-day exchange policy. Now, if you don't love your vehicle, you can bring it back or exchange it. NoBadCars.com takes trade-ins too. We'll give you a written offer for your car and guarantee to buy it, even if you don't purchase a vehicle. Great vehicles, great prices, great service, and more. It doesn't get any easier or better than buying a car from an authorized NoBadCars.com dealer.